Alright guys, today we're working on another junk truck. What we've got here is a 2002 F350 single cab, long bed, dually. It's a flatbed with no flatbed. It has a bad rear end. Let me show you what we got here. We've picked up another one today at about half the going rate, which is still pretty expensive, but we found one that was a little cheaper than rebuilding this one. So let me show you the bad one, show you the good one, show you the truck. Okay, here's our Dana 80 rear end, 410 gears. As you can see, we've already got the carrier out of it. What it had done is the pinion went bad, stripped all the gears off of it, and ruined itself. Here's what we've got. Here's our pinion. Should be some pretty good gears on there. You see the bearing cage is welded to it. No gears left. This is our carrier. And it shoots these gears up pretty good. It's chipped most of them. So instead of rebuilding it, I looked up prices online. Buy some Chinese parts. You can rebuild this thing for $800 or $900. You can pick up one from the junkyard. Might have warranty, might not, for around $1,500. And we picked up one for about half that price out of a Southern truck. Guy here locally kind of that parts them out, and got a pretty good deal on it from him. So it's mostly complete. Needs a pinion seal and a good cleaning up, but it's not rusty, and it's got 80,000 miles on it. So let's go take a look at that. We'll get it unloaded and go from there. Okay, here's our new to us Dana 80 dually. Same thing, it's out of a year or two newer. See the pinion seal's leaking. Gotta get that changed. Everything else is looking pretty good on it. Let's take a look at our truck here. Project Rust Bucket. It's spent its life as a lawn and fertilizer truck and a snow plow and salt spreader. So everything's pretty rusty. It's not rusted through. Somebody recently had newer doors put on it. 7.3 Powerstroke, automatic. Is what it is. Over here we've got our leaf springs. We're gonna do something about these. Driver's side is pretty rusty, but they're all there. Passenger side, on the other hand, we got a couple broke leaves. As you can see, we've got two broke leaves right there. I'm gonna have to get those replaced. Don't try welding those back together. That won't work. That's a bad idea. So anyway, we got all our junk laying here. Let's see if we can make some progress on this thing. Okay, well, while this thing's out of the truck, it's gonna be a lot easier to replace this pinion seal than laying on your back on the gravel after it's back in the truck. So let's see if we can get this off, and we'll get a pinion seal put in there and go from there. Okay, so that didn't work. So we're gonna get the old smoke wrench here and handy dandy motivational tool, and we'll heat this thing up, pull this nut off, let it cool down, and we'll go get a pinion seal and get started on this thing. Okay, you can see here, pinion seal, pretty well gone. Alright, we got the seal out. We'll get us another one, a new one, and put that back in there.